One more thing about Tesla, more specifically Elon Musk. We have a little update on his pitch, his Texas pitch. You saw the tweets previously around people moving to the southern part of Texas, the SpaceX part of Texas. Yeah. Don't even open Google Maps. Don't even try to open Google Maps. You were like Indiana Jones when you opened Google Maps the other day.
Yeah. Just waiting for a giant rock to fall on me, which it did. Yeah, it was painful.
You were exploring unknown landscape.
I was like, what is this? What's a map?
Yeah,
it was tough.
So we don't have to do that. But it was in the southern part near the Mexican border. But now he's turned his attention to where I believe he happens to be living, based on what we've heard up until this point, to Austin. And in I don't know, does this constitute a cryptic tweet? He writes Austin plus and then replies to that tweet saying, urgent need to build more housing in greater Austin area.
Oh, is he trying to connect Austin with his other city that's near Mexico? It's kind of bridge the gap a bit.
Well, I mean, that's where they're going to do the truck, right? The Cybertruck. So that's going to require a lot of employees and bring those jobs. Definitely even more so than the Starbase stuff, Brownsville, South Padre section of Texas. When you're building a vehicle, you need people. Mm-hmm. Well, for now. Yeah. And so I'm assuming that they're probably starting to gear up, and a lot of people are coming into town. They're saying, I can't get my hands on the housing. And Elon's like, let me send a tweet real quick. Get some houses built. Make it easier. And who knows, maybe there's even bigger plans in the Austin area that aren't public yet around bringing more assembly there and therefore increasing the housing demand one more time.
Yeah.
So maybe he knows something you don't know, Will. Mm-hmm. I know it's hard to believe, but maybe, just maybe, Elon Musk knows something you don't.